Hey everyone, Black Friday is just around the corner. But you don't have to wait to score some incredible deals. Right now, you can save hundreds of dollars on Ecovacs robot vacuums thanks to some amazing early offers. If you've been dreaming of kicking back while a robot does all the hard work, now is your chance. We're seeing massive discounts on some of the best models out there, from the super smart Deebot T2 Omni to other popular options that both vacuum and mop. These aren't just little discounts either, we're talking serious savings that make these high-tech helpers more affordable than ever. These deals won't last forever. So if you want to upgrade your cleaning game and reclaim your time, you'll want to act fast. Check out the links in the description to find the perfect Ecovacs for your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing deals.